Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blooming face. First, identify your unique skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive to select the best products. Next, establish a consistent cleansing routine, washing your face both morning and night to remove dirt and makeup. Always follow with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and supple, aiming for a healthy glow. Beyond the basics, regular exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Aim for 1 or 2 times a week, depending on your skin sensitivity. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every single day, even indoors. Boost your routine with a targeted serum, perhaps one containing vitamin C, for added radiance and protection. Your lifestyle significantly impacts your skin's appearance. Hydration starts from within, so drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 8 glasses. Fuel your body with a nutritious diet, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, which provide essential vitamins. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours nightly allows your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Consistency is crucial for maintaining a blooming face. Stress can negatively affect your skin, so find healthy ways to manage it, like meditation or exercise. Remember to keep your makeup tools clean. Washing brushes weekly prevents bacteria buildup. For an extra boost, consider professional treatments such as facials every few months. With dedication, your skin will continue to radiate health and vitality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.